Today we're going to make this decorative Easter tree. Materials: 4 seasons tree, decorated eggs, small decorated eggs, artificial grass square, green tissue paper, cellophane paper, a piece of orange raffia ribbon, scissors. Do you have your 4 seasons tree already? If not, visit our video tutorial and have a good time preparing it. For this idea, you also need to have prepared your decorated Easter eggs. Be inspired by Fiesta4U to make your own designs. Decorate the pot with the cellophane and tissue paper. We wrap a little raffia ribbon around for a nice finishing touch. We will decorate the pot with the artificial grass square. Finally, hang the eggs from different branches of the tree. I love the result! Now it's your turn.